Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Dave digital card. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Profile. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a section for Dave debit cards. Under Dave debit cards is an option that says Digital Card. Tap on Digital Card. And now you will see your digital card. That's how you view your Dave digital card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.